Because that day, I don't know, you all must have been there. I requested him. I said that when you are going to Delhi, you take us with you. We will get the Goan diaspora to come with you. So I have just written a letter.
So why Puducherry having dual citizenship when India is not allowing?
I'll tell you. As far as I understand, the reason Pondicherry is having dual citizenship and the reason Goans are not having dual citizenship. In 1961, Goa was liberated. And thereafter, when Salazar was dethroned, the Portuguese government had accepted that Goa is a part of India. So, but as far as French is concerned, in Pondicherry, they sign an agreement. They gave the land back to, and therefore there was an understanding between government of India and government of France, and therefore I have read on this, nearly 50% of the population in Pondicherry are having dual citizenship. That means they can support, they can vote in India, they can vote also in France. But right now I have decided not to contest. Please note this. Right now I have resigned from all political parties, resigned from all posts, and I have started a new avatar, of writing.